Alright, y'all, let's go get some more dirt back in there for him. Huh? Do that back there, right? Whew. Alright. Just gotta do those. Again, that's potatoes. Not just that. We don't gotta go too deep, so we're gonna be alright. Huh? That's probably good right there. We're gonna cover it up and kind of mound it up. Write this down a bit. Spread it. I'm hoping this kind of covers in this area over here eventually. Right? Again, we're gonna put some more feed and dirt on it. Fertilizer. There you go, wormy. I'm gonna eat that good old food for you. Back here's where this is gonna go. And we ain't got to go too far. I'll mound that out. And this is gonna be the Daylilies. Again, this is an area where my dog doesn't have access, so I don't really gotta worry about it. But if you have pets, make sure you check the safety on them with your animal. A lot of pets can be very pretty, but very toxic to your dog or cat or whatever. All right.